Okay, so today I thought I would do an unboxing from the Mercari app, which I bought my little ponies on, and I paid $70, and I think with shipping altogether was $80. So we're gonna open up and see what we have. And I did open the box just because it's hard for me to open the box and film at the same time, so. But I have not looked inside, obviously. So we have a lot of shopping bags. Okay. But the seller at least packaged it really good. Oh, he left me a note. Thank you. These ponies have always been together except the packaged glory I had got her last year. I hope you enjoy them as much as I did. Ah, so I think it was a guy that owned it, that the ponies. Well, that was nice. They have lived in Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico. Most of them were brought in Oklahoma, where I mostly grew up. Oh, that was cute. All right. And oh, my sister's gonna love this. It's bubble wrap. Oh, okay. I have a hard time getting this stuff out. Hang on. I kind of bought this on a whim. When I saw the packaged one, I didn't really read the description that it wasn't like sealed. So we'll just see what I have. I don't know. What is this one? Butterscotch or? Can't really tell. I mean, I got a lot of ponies for $70, so I can't complain. I think this one I actually have. Yes, I actually do. That one came from a Facebook Marketplace. Okay, that has like some dirt spots on it. Not too bad, I guess. Oh, this one's adorable. Okay, I didn't know that like a lot of them were dirty. I thought you said like 2 of them were dirty, but oh well. Still cute. I think this one is Applejack, if I remember. My gosh, there's so much. Actually, I don't remember the name, so I don't know if this one was Wendy. I can't remember that either. No, this one I think I had when I was young. Yeah, I did. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how dirty these were. Okay, this is like the hats on her. I don't know what that name is. Oh shoot. This one I have. What is this? Princess? I can't remember for the life of me. Oh, it's got a moon on her. Ah. Oh, this one's pretty. Alright, this one's not too badly damaged. I like that one. See, it's kind of funny when I saw this, the guy had just put it up 6 minutes ago, and I was at work at the time getting ready to clock in. So I went on the Mercari app, and I quickly bought it. Ah, this is Rainbow Dash. Yeah, this one I know of. This one's not vintage, but I still like it. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Actually, this one, I don't think I've ever, I don't know this one. This one doesn't even have a symbol. Okay, maybe this one is a fake? I have no idea. All right, this one, I don't even know if this one is, I think it's lofty or, all right, this one's just so soft. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I don't think I have this one either, so. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this is the glory one. I thought this was in the package. It was mint in the box, but we'll see. Oh, duh. Oh, okay, this is the one that's mint. Well, it's not mint. It's, I think it's falling out from the bottom, he said. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Okay, this one, I don't know, was it Paracel? I can't remember the names. Oh, excuse me. Whew. Let's see what else we have. Here is another pony. Oh, this one has ice cream cones on it. Not exactly sure what it is. Oh, this I definitely have. This is the wedding pony. I think with Tiffany? Wedding Tiffany? I can't remember. But oh, so pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay, I think these are like duplicates too. Yeah. Wow. Oh, this one I actually did have. I also had a white one kind of similar to that. I think was it Sunshine? Oh, I can't remember for the life of me. Okay. The last one we have is this one. All right. Oh, wow. All right, I'm gonna have to put you all down so I can open this. Hang on. Ah. Okay, we're back again. Sorry about that. So this one I got not mint in the box, but still gorgeous. Wow. I just say, like, I miss these kind of ponies when I used to have them when I was a kid, like in these packages. And you know, like the baby ponies, the cribs, and it's so soft, and the twinkle ones, twinkle-eyed, with the ones with the jewels in their eyes. Oh, this really takes me back. Only problem is I'm going to need a bigger closet to put this collection in. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed that little unboxing. So yeah, I remember the first time I ordered from Mercari, in place say it, I didn't have a good experience because of the seller was not really helpful in telling me where my stuff is. But this seller was amazing. And the app is really great because if you don't get your items, they'll give you your money back right away. So that's what I love about them. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this little haul. And until the next unboxing or the next video I have to do.